Vibros is a family-owned business started by me in 1998 as a Vibros Auto Private Limited. Now we are in business for last almost 22 years. Our overall capacity, overall plants, locations and our products range is very high. Now we have total 6 plants, that is 3 are in Manesar, 1 in Ajmer, 1 in Ahmedabad and 1 in Pune. We have almost 19 OEMs plus some more OEMs under development for different products. Present product range includes 400 plus products, that is for various OEMs, their accessories, assemblies, testings, logistics, all are covered under Vibros name. And we have 2 sister units also. One is Varshak Industries, that is proprietary company, that is owned by me, Vijay Khemchandani, and another is Nepsis, that is private limited, and it is owned by my 2 daughters. They are the directors and they run the business. Overall, we have 300 plus workers in all the units, and we have a very experienced staff and well qualified. Plus, they are right from the beginning. Almost 50 people are along with us since 2000. Maybe some are from 1998 and others are from 2000. Almost 50 people. And other people are contract labor. They are through different contractors for day-to-day working and day-to-day. We have total 65 injection molding machines. We are in plastic injection moldings and making OEM products only. No market, no spare, nothing, only for OEMs. And this OEM business covers from all the 6 units, and we supply to various OEMs as per the requirement. Apart from this, we have total engineering, R&D, production, quality, certifications, assembly lines and tool room and all other facilities which are required for day-to-day functioning and meeting customers' requirement. Vibros employees has always worked together to ensure 100% delivery ratings, high quality ratings, technical expertise, swift response and family culture. All units across India are ISO TS certified. Vibros hold expertise in mold and tool development, special processes like vibration welding, PU painting, pad painting, ultrasonic welding, laser marking and printing. As a manufacturing organization, Vibros has always proved itself and will continue for years to come. With many accolades, appreciations received throughout these years, we can proudly state and believe in our motto, that is quality our foundation. Thanks.